Hi, welcome to my channel. So in the previous few videos we have worked on user authentication. So in the coming videos we will be working on how to add user book to the user, how you can user can purchase book, and if user return book late, then how we will be calculating fine. Okay, so for that we will be creating three model, which will one will be a borrower model, another one will be return model, and another one will be a fine model. So let's just create the model. So first I'm going to create borrower dot model.js. Another one we will be creating, which is fine.model.js. Another one will be returned .model.js, returned or return. Okay, so let's just copy whatever information. Okay, this is not a model. Okay, I have created in the wrong folder, so let's just copy this one and paste this to model. Okay, so we have copied and pasted it to the model folder. Now just copy this one and paste it to the borrower. So borrower will have user ID, book ID which user want to purchase, then user ID, book ID, then what, then I think we can add one more field, which is purchase date, and what else, quantity, total quantity will be always 1, so we don't have to add how many quantity user are currently taking, so we don't have to add that. And another one will be like active, so this will be type of boolean and default false. Okay, no, make it default true, because we will be not making it as true every time while creating this borrower model. Format this, then okay, user ID will be of type we can make it as a string. And so let's just search how to add a reference, in Mongoose. Okay, so here if you see, so we just want to add reference of another model. So here you can type as reference equal to type a schema dot type dot object ID. This can be useful. Okay, so just copy that. This will be required true, and this will be a user. Okay, copy the same thing in the below model also below. So this will be of type book, reference model will be book, type object ID, purchase, this will be of type date, required, not required actually, default date dot now. Okay, so this our borrower model is actually ready. Okay, So let's just change this one to borrower, make it capital B, borrower. Now our borrower model is ready. Now just copy paste this to return model. So here why I'm creating the same model for both borrower and return. This both will have same data, except this one, purchase and active. So in the return we will be having two information, which is user ID and book ID, like, and here we will be having one more information, which is return date. Okay, we don't have to add this active parameter, as we don't have to keep information about active parameter. So that is that. And what else? Okay, so one thing, if we think about the design of model, so we can add this, combine this both model into one, and we will keep track of which model is this, or what kind of operation we are performing by keeping both information in enum type. But I'm not going to add that here. You can try writing model like that, but I'm not going to add that here. Okay, so here we can write return, and here we will write returned model. Okay, so now this model is also ready. Okay, so in return model we will be having user ID, book ID, and return date. Return date default is default is current date, exact same time at which this document is getting created. Now another one is find model. So here you can write find, here we can write find, and here you can write find. So in the find model we don't have to add book information. Okay, here you can write okay, amount, means how much amount user is paying as a fine. This will be of type number, and we will make default as 0. We are not making it as required true. Another one will be paid at, and this will be of type date, and default will be date dot now. So this is kind of find model. So we have created user ID, amount ID, paid at, and we have just exported the find model. Now let's just add this created model into our okay, so we have not created index.js here. I'm not sure why. Okay, let me just check. Okay, why we have not created index.js here. Okay, so let's just create index.js to export all the model. Okay, so let me just check pwd. Okay, no issue. We will create one index.js. So here we will export all the model which we have created. Okay, so first model is like const book model require dot slash book slash okay dot slash book. Okay, const user model require const find model require const borrower model require borrower, then const return model require return model. Okay, now module dot exports, copy all this book model, then return model, then borrower model, then find model, then user model. Okay, so this is done, right? So this is done. So we have successfully created all models here. Like we have created borrower model, we have created return model, we have created find model. So in the next video I will be focusing on the UI part. So let me just run npm start. So let me just show you how our current UI is looking. Okay, I have deleted so let me just install first. Okay, this is installed now. Let me just go to UI and show you localhost 3000. If you go to slash book, so this doesn't look good. So we will be working on the UI part. Like we will be fixing the UI, we will be making grid to show book information in the grid form, and we will be adding one more button to purchase book. So see you in the next video.